To add a new patient, go to the Patient menu and click Patient Form, and input all the patient's information. When you're done, click Save. If you're wondering why there are two Save and Reset buttons, that's because the ones on the top are for saving or resetting the entire module, while the ones on the bottom are for saving or resetting the currently active tab from the Basic Info, Consultations, Exams, and Medical History. After saving the new patient's records, go to the Consultations tab and click Add Consultations, and fill in the fields in the consultation form. To add medications in the consultation record, click on the Add Medication button and input a description on what the medication is for. Then click on the PDF icon at the right side to add the prescription details. Then input the prescription details in the content field. You can then close the window or click the PDF icon to print it. To add consultation fees, click on the Add Fees button and select a fee from the drop-down, or click the Add Fees option to add new fees that are currently not yet listed in the choices. To delete a fee, click on the fee that you want to delete and click the Delete button. To schedule your next consultation with the patient, click on the calendar icon of the next consultation field and choose the date. When you're done, click Save. To edit a patient's record, choose the patient that you want to edit and click the Edit icon. Update the patient's record and don't forget to click Save to save the changes you've made. To delete a patient's record, choose the patient that you want to delete and click the Delete icon and confirm your deletion. To print the entire patient's records, choose the patient and click the Edit icon. On the upper left side of the patient's record, click the PDF icon. This will open the record to a new tab and your file is ready for printing. To add a new consultation record for existing patients, go to the Patient menu on the left side and click Patient List. Choose the patient you want to add a new consultation, click the Add icon, and fill in the fields. When you're done, don't forget to click Save. To edit a consultation record, choose the patient that you want to edit a consultation record and click the Edit icon. Go to the Consultations tab, choose the consultations you want to edit, and click the Edit icon. Update the record and don't forget to click Save. To delete a consultation record, choose the patient and click the Edit icon. Go to the Consultations tab, choose the consultation you want to delete, and click the Delete icon. To record a patient's estimated date of confinement, or the EDC, you must have a current consultation with that patient. On that consultation, go to the OB/GYN History tab. Click the Add Gravida button. Fill in the fields last menstruation period and/or the EDC by ultrasound. Check on what you want to be the basis for the patient's EDC. Click Save and see the trimester or week auto-calculation. To update the patient's pregnancy status, you must have a current consultation with that patient. Go to the OB/GYN History tab. On the latest gravida of the patient, update the pregnancy status of the patient, either normal pregnancy, with complications, miscarriage, or successfully delivered. To record delivery details, go to the OB/GYN History tab. You can access this when you add or edit a consultation. On the status field, change the status to successfully delivered. Then click the details icon. Input all the delivery details, including the baby's name. Click the add icon if there are twins or more than one baby in one delivery. Click Save when you're done. To record miscarriage details, go to the OB/GYN History tab. On the status field, change the status to miscarriage. Then click the details icon. Input all the miscarriage details and click Save when you're done. To print a medical certificate, go to the latest consultation you had with the patient. Click the print button and choose the medical certificate. Input the details, and when you're done, click the print icon. Your file is now ready for printing. To add an exam record, go to the patient menu and click the patient list. Choose the patient that you want to add an exam record and click the edit icon. Go to the exams tab and click the add exam button. Fill in the fields with the exams information. To add an attachment or the exam results, click on the add attachment button, click browse, and choose an image from your computer. If you want to add more attachments, just click on the Add Attachment button. When you're done, click Save. To search for a specific patient, go to the Patient menu and click Patient List. Then click on the Advanced Search button. In here, you can filter it to search by name, birth month, blood type, gravida, and so on. If you choose to search by name, another field will appear and it will show a drop-down list of all patient names, and you can simply choose the name from there. After choosing the patient, click the View button to display the results.